Hi, this is Dan Yampieri, broker owner of Remax Aspire. You know, the last few months, I received more invitations to business planning workshops than I had received in my 20 years of real estate experience. And while I appreciated all of those invitations, I have to say that there is a big issue that I have with all of the business planning workshop invitations that I received. And that is that none of the business planning workshops address the ongoing needs that a realtor is going to have when it comes to accountability and execution on said plan. So you can have a plan all day long. Each brokerage or association that had these sessions, it's terrific that they did that. They all mainly used the exact same plans and templates, which is fine. But on an ongoing basis, if a realtor does not have a coach, I don't know how well most realtors are actually going to succeed at achieving the goals that they have on their plans. So what I want to offer you to kick off the new year is an opportunity to experience coaching at Remax. So if you will click on this email, and if you're someone who's curious about coaching, click on this email and I will share with you the details of the Remax coaching program that we have, which is for teams and individual agents. It can help you actually have the ongoing tracking and measurements that you need on that plan to achieve an even greater result than you set out to achieve. So click this link in the email and let's get talking about your 2023 goals and getting them done. Thanks for watching.